Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can unlock chat on Roblox Kids and Roblox Select. So let's get started. If chat is locked on your Roblox account, there are a few settings you can check to enable it. The available options depend on your age and whether your account is managed by a parent. Start by opening the Roblox app. Tap More, then open Settings. On mobile, you can also tap the three-line menu in the top corner to access the settings. Next, open Account Info and scroll down to the Personal section. Look for the option to check your age or verify your age, then select Continue. If verification is required, make sure your device has a working camera. Allow Roblox to access your camera when prompted, then follow the on-screen instructions. Place your face inside the guide and slowly turn your head as directed while Roblox captures the required images to estimate your age. After the verification is complete, your account may be updated based on your verified age. Depending on the result, additional communication features may become available. If your Roblox account isn't linked to a parent account, go back to Settings and open Privacy and Content Restrictions. Select Communication, then turn on Experience Chat or Game Chat if your account is eligible. Keep in mind that chat features are only available for accounts that meet Roblox's age and safety requirements. Some users, especially younger accounts, may need parental approval before these settings can be changed. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.